video, I'm going to show a model of the technique exit tasks. If you're experiencing problems such as, I'm not sure what students understand from my lessons, then this technique could be for you. Remember, you can copy the model you see, but you'll probably want to adapt it to your context. If you do adapt it, try to stay true to the features that we think make it effective. These are: target important ideas, keep the task short and easy to survey all of the answers, and make inferences and decide how to act for next lesson. Because this is a planning technique, I'm going to model my thought process. I've been teaching students to work out the missing angle based on their knowledge of angles in a triangle, angles round a point, and angles on a straight line. So the first thing I need to do is devise some exit ticket questions that really target this key knowledge. I've chosen the 3 questions on the board behind me. I'm going to keep this task really short by only using these 3 questions. This is going to make it really easy for me to survey. I'm going to then survey all of the answers, and I'm going to do this because students are going to write the answers on post-it notes and hand them to me as they leave the lesson. That's going to make it easy for me to survey all of their answers. I can make inferences then and decide how to act for next lesson. For example, if lots of students are getting question 3 wrong, I know that I'm going to need to go over angles in a triangle.